Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, Phillips, and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser assembly. The dispenser assembly is mounted in the middle of the freezer door inside the dispenser cavity. It opens and closes the ice chute, turns on and off the water and ice dispensing, and illuminates the LED light on demand. If one or more of these functions fail, it's time to check and replace the dispenser assembly if needed. So we need to remove this trim. To do that, I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to place it right here in the seam and start prying it off. So next we're going to remove the display. I'm going to take out two Phillips screws on the top using a Phillips screwdriver. And I'm going to let it go down slowly. So we can unplug these two plugs here. Press on the locking tab at the back, pull it apart. Same thing here, we're going to press on this locking tab and pull the plug out. I'm going to take away the display control. Now I'm going to remove this water fountain tube from the clips, and then the nozzle here. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to take out two Phillips screws using a Phillips screwdriver. And now I can slide out the old dispenser assembly. Here we have one more plug to undo. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver to press on this locking tab here and pull apart the plug. And finally we can remove the old dispenser assembly. This is the old dispenser assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, let's bring a new dispenser assembly, and we're going to start installation with the plugging that plug in. And I'm going to turn it over and slide it in. Then I'm going to secure that assembly with the two Phillips screws, one on each corner. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Don't get too excited, don't break the plastic. Now we can install the water line, the fountain water line. We're going to start with the nozzle and place it in. And then we're going to lock this hose into these two clips. And now we're going to plug in the display control. We have two plugs here, two harnesses goes in. And turn it over. We have these two bottom tabs that goes in to these openings at the bottom. And bring it up. And we're going to secure that with a couple of Phillips screws at the top. Going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Now we're going to place the bezel on. press it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.